Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to upload a project to GitHub the fastest way. Let's get started. So first of all, create a text project. Open your Visual Studio Code. Open the folder. Use the folder. So let's create a demo file. We call it where is it? Yeah, index.html. Yeah. So we just create a very basic. Yeah. This is text in a body tag, and we save it. So now, here's where the magic happens. To push it to GitHub, first of all, create your Git, create init, then git add, git commit, setup file. Then, to push it to GitHub, you don't need to go to GitHub to go through the stress of creating, copying a link, bringing it to Visual Studio Code. All you just do, you press Ctrl+Shift+P, then you click Publish to GitHub. And to get this done, make sure you have already connected your GitHub to your Visual Studio Code account. Then you click what? Publish to GitHub. Then you choose to make it private or public. For the sake of this demo, I'll make it a public repository so I can show you. So I click Publish to GitHub public. It's publishing. And that's all. It's done. So let's confirm that we have our file on GitHub. And as you can see, yes, we do. We have it on GitHub. This is a text in a body tag. Yeah, so that is the fastest way I have found to upload a project or to push a project from your local repository to your GitHub repository. Hope you find this helpful. Thanks.